Hey guys, so today I'm doing a review on the Ghost Pillow by Nature Sleep. When I got the opportunity to do the review for this pillow, I was excited because as a full-time traveler, it's hard to find a pillow that works for you, that you can take with you and doesn't lose its shape and so on and so forth. And you know the normal memory foam pillows and their issues. So here is my review on the Ghost Pillow. I've been using it for about 4 weeks now, and like I said, we're full-time travelers, so we're always in and out of different Airbnbs, hotels, and resorts. So this has really come in handy. I don't have the box anymore that it came in, but it came in a nice cardboard box. But it comes with, as you can see, it comes with a nice cover, embroidered ghost bed cover. It's very soft, but you can remove the cover, throw it in the wash, and on the inside you can see that it has the little holes in it, and that is so that the air can circulate. This pillow actually does keep your head very cool. You can hear it too. That's the airflow through the pillow. So it's summertime here, and right now it's about 90 degrees outside, and it's hot, and this pillow is very, very cool. You can actually feel it. You can feel the air come through it, so it's really nice. It's been very helpful, and it conforms to you. It is soft. It's very soft, but it conforms to your head. It doesn't It's not stiff or anything, and it keeps its shape. Like I said, this is 4 weeks that we've been sleeping on these, and they're still the same shape. Now, when we first got it, I am actually chemical sensitive, and when we first got the pillows and you take them out of the box, you do smell some type of something coming from it. I've seen the other reviews. Somebody said lavender, somebody said fresh, and then somebody else said chemical. We did smell it, but we let them sit out for a couple of days just to air out of the box, and the smell dissipated within just a couple of days. So, and now 4 weeks later, there's zero smell. And but anyways, yep, it keeps us cool at night. There's great airflow. They are soft, and they do conform. They're not like regular memory foam. So they do come with a 5-year warranty, 101 night sleep guarantee. So you can check it out for yourself and see if it works for you. But I will leave a link below, and it's free shipping, so you have nothing to lose. And for us, they really did, they do work for us and help solve a problem. So that's good. But check it out for yourself. I'll leave a link below, and you can get a discount on it. They're $85 with free shipping, but they do have that 5-year guarantee and 101 night sleep guarantee. So check it out for yourself. Link below. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.